Plant FAQs, Diervilla Kodiak Orange. A gardener's guide to the dazzling Diervilla Kodiak Orange. For those seeking a splash of color in their gardens, look no further than the Diervilla Kodiak Orange. This captivating shrub boasts a vibrant display that transcends seasons, offering something special from spring's fresh emergence to autumn's fiery finale. But beyond its beauty lies a delightful ease of care, making it a perfect choice for busy gardeners like myself. Having recently incorporated this gem into my own garden, I've been thoroughly impressed by its resilience and adaptability. Today, I want to share my experiences and delve into the world of Diervilla Kodiak Orange, answering some of the most common questions that might pique your interest. Diervilla Kodiak Orange, sometimes referred to as bush honeysuckle, is a deciduous shrub native to North America. However, unlike its invasive honeysuckle cousins, this delightful selection boasts a well-behaved nature, making it a welcome addition to any garden. Standing at a manageable height of 3 to 4 feet, it forms a dense, mounded shape with vibrant foliage. New leaves emerge in a stunning shade of orange, maturing to a rich green throughout summer. But the real showstopper arrives in autumn, where the foliage transforms into a fiery display of orange-red, adding a burst of warmth to the changing landscape. How to care for Diervilla Kodiak Orange. The beauty of Diervilla Kodiak Orange lies in its low-maintenance nature. It thrives in a range of lighting conditions, tolerating both full sun and partial shade. When it comes to watering, average moisture is sufficient, although it can withstand periods of dryness once established. Well-drained soil is key, so if your garden bed leans towards the heavy side, consider amending it with some compost or sand for optimal drainage. Fertilization isn't strictly necessary, but a light feeding in early spring with a balanced fertilizer can give your Diervilla Kodiak Orange a little boost. Does Diervilla Kodiak Orange need to be pruned? Pruning isn't essential for the health of your Diervilla Kodiak Orange, but it can be beneficial for maintaining its shape and encouraging bushier growth. The ideal time for pruning is late winter or early spring before new growth appears. Simply remove any dead, diseased, or overcrowded branches to promote healthy airflow and light penetration. If you desire a more compact shrub, you can give it a light haircut after flowering to keep it in check. However, remember that pruning will also reduce the amount of flowers produced the following season. So, the choice is yours. Prioritize a specific shape or maximize floral display. How to propagate Diervilla Kodiak Orange. For the adventurous gardener keen on expanding their Diervilla Kodiak Orange collection, propagation is a fun and rewarding option. There are two main methods: softwood cuttings and division. Softwood cuttings. In early summer, take stem cuttings about 4 to 6 inches long from non-flowering branches. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone. Plant the cuttings in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix and keep them moist in a partially shaded location. With a little patience, you should see roots develop within a few weeks. Division. This method is best suited for mature plants. In early spring or fall, carefully dig up the entire shrub and use a sharp spade to divide it into sections, each containing healthy roots and stems. Replant the divisions in their new locations and water them regularly until established. What to plant with Diervilla Kodiak Orange. The vibrant foliage of Diervilla Kodiak Orange makes it a versatile companion plant. Here are some ideas to create a harmonious garden scene. Spring bulbs. Plant daffodils or tulips at the base of the Diervilla for a burst of color in early spring. Low-growing perennials. Lavender, catmint, or ajaga create a beautiful low-growing border that complements the mounded shape of the Diervilla. Grasses. Ornamental grasses add a textural contrast and provide winter interest when the Diervilla loses its leaves. With its captivating display and easygoing nature, Diervilla Kodiak Orange is a true gem for any garden. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance shrub that delivers seasonal splendor, consider adding this dazzling beauty to your own personal green haven.